So I am going to be recording a demo for my CISC181 final project. So this project is a website that is a Mad Lib like game, I suppose. Not really a game, but it's a Mad Lib site. And it's made of three components mainly. There's the word form component, which is this section here, which allows the user to input the words that are going to be used to fill in the blanks of paragraphs. We have the story component, which will display the resulting paragraph with the appropriate words filled into it. Then there's the add own component, which was one of the extensions that I did for the project. And which basically allows the user to input their own paragraph that can be displayed here in the story section. So in the word form component, we have three buttons here. We have the submit words button, the remove words button, and the random words button. So basically, submit words is what you click to submit the form. So if you try to submit it with there being no words inputted into any of the text boxes, it'll say to please fill in all blanks. Let's say you have like 2 filled in, and you try to submit it, it'll still say please fill in all blanks because there's one of them that's blank. So let's say the random words button allows you, as you saw, to randomly put words in from a file that has a bunch of verbs, nouns, and adjectives, and it randomly selects between them. So let's say we're going to go with that one. We're going to submit the words, and as you see, a story was selected from that and is getting displayed in the story component here. If you want to get rid of that paragraph, you can click clear story to clear the paragraph. And then in the make your own story component, there's instructions right here, which basically says to write the paragraph or the sentence that you want to be one of the options in the story component, and click one of these three buttons for every time that you want there to be a blank that gets filled in. So let's say I want the sentence to be, hi, noun, can you blank verb because I can spell because right, because I think it would be adjective, right? So let's say you submit that little sentence here, says paragraph has been submitted, so you know that it was submitted properly. Now let's say I want to type in some words here. So let's say, can you cook, noun, I just looked at my PlayStation controller, so we're going to say controller, adjective, fun. So you can submit that, and then, oh, coincidentally, this was chosen just now, but hi, controller, can you cook because I think it would be fun. So the story component, like I said earlier, randomly selects between different stories. So there's 3 stories that are written in the source code that it randomly selects, and then also will randomly select the user's story as well. So if we click submit words a bunch of times, it'll randomly select a bunch of times, so you can see a bunch of different options here. So yeah, so that is the final project.